Field surveyors play a crucial role in gathering accurate and precise data for various purposes. In Noida Sector 62, field surveyors are in high demand due to the rapid development and growth in the area. These professionals are responsible for conducting on-site surveys, collecting data, and providing valuable insights to organizations and businesses. With their expertise, field surveyors in Noida Sector 62 ensure that construction projects, infrastructure development, and urban planning are carried out effectively and efficiently. One of the key tasks of field surveyors in Noida Sector 62 is to accurately measure and record land boundaries, topography, and other physical features. This information is essential for architects, engineers, and developers to design and plan new projects. By conducting thorough surveys, field surveyors ensure that the proposed structures align with the existing terrain and meet all regulatory requirements. They also assess the suitability of the land for construction purposes, taking into consideration factors such as soil conditions, drainage systems, and environmental impact. In addition to land surveys, field surveyors in Noida Sector 62 also play a vital role in conducting utility surveys. They identify and map underground utilities such as water lines, gas pipelines, electrical cables, and telecommunication networks. This information is crucial for infrastructure projects, as it helps prevent accidents during construction and ensures the safety of workers and the general public. Field surveyors use advanced technology such as ground-penetrating radar, GPR, and Geographic Information Systems, GIS, to accurately locate and map these utilities. Through their meticulous work, field surveyors enable organizations and businesses to make informed decisions based on reliable data. Their contribution is essential in creating sustainable and efficient built environments in Noida Sector 62. Field surveyors are essential in acquiring accurate and exact data for a variety of objectives. Field surveyors are in high demand in Noida Sector 62 due to the area's rapid development and growth. These individuals are in charge of conducting on-site surveys, collecting data, and presenting organizations and enterprises with vital insights. Field surveyors in Noida Sector 62 use their knowledge to ensure that construction projects, infrastructure development, and urban planning are completed properly and efficiently. Field surveyors in Noida Sector 62 are responsible for precisely measuring and recording land boundaries, topography, and other physical aspects. This data is critical for architects, engineers, and developers when designing and planning new projects. Field surveyors ensure that new structures correspond with the existing terrain and meet all regulatory criteria by conducting extensive surveys. They also evaluate the land's appropriateness for construction, taking into account elements such as soil characteristics, drainage systems, and environmental impact. Field surveyors in Noida Sector 62 are also important in doing utility surveys in addition to land surveys. Underground utilities such as water lines,